The original video is more than 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we are speeding a lot this video, try to compress everything. This is a vacant house. This is the third time that we are cleaning for this client. He has a lot of houses, vacation homes, things like that. The location is in Arbordale, Florida. This is the master bedroom, and you can see from the video in the middle there is more clear carpet, white carpet, gray, like clean carpet. And that's why there was a mattress. I'm assuming it was queen mattress in the middle. Around the mattress area, a lot of traffic. You can see right away a lot of traffic. So the first step, and we always do this, is vacuuming. We are using our Shark vacuum in this job. Every job is different depending of the condition of the carpet. If there is a lot of pet hair, cat hair, odors, urine, this is depending which vacuum I'm gonna bring. So in this occasion, the Sharp professional vacuum does a really good job, and you can see right away from the video how we move back and forth in different directions. So north to south, south to north, west to east to west, changing position and vacuuming in different locations, directions. We pull more soil. This vacuum is awesome, has a strong power of suction, and we took a lot of dry soil. It's in fast mode, but you can see how many times we vacuum. After we vacuum, we are using for this job our machine that is called the Phoenix OP orbital machine by Trinity system. Okay, and we are using the machine not to clean as a BLM that is very low moisture. We are using the machine because we want to spread the product, because this machine has two onboard sprayers. So the cleaning product we spray into the carpet, and the same time we are using a pad and we are scrubbing the carpet. The carpets in the master room especially was in really bad shape. This house was empty. It had 4 areas. This is the second area that we are scrubbing. So in the first room, the master bedroom, we found a yellow stain and also a red spot. So we use a vapor steamer and we do the transfer. It was fast, the video, so I don't know if you recognize in the corner that Sonia was using the vapor steamer with some cotton towel to do the transfer of those spots. The second room is still spreading the color, treating the carpet with the soap and scrubbing this. So why we don't do DLM in this house? Because the client requires super deep cleaning with someone because of the condition we needed to scrub previously. This is the third room. Sonia was vacuuming the room, also the edges, and also vacuuming the baseboard because we found a lot of dust. As soon as she finished one room, I go to the next area and we scrub with the product, let it soak, and then turn on the machine. The machine that we use for rinsing is our tablet, right? So you are seeing right now the closet in the master bedroom. The one is a sapphire scientific 12-inch titanium one with the green lights, the evil one, with the red panel. Right now I'm recording myself and shaking the camera, and then someone's gonna grab the cell phone and start recording. So we spread and then we go back to dry. For us, it's really important to not only to rinse and remove any contaminants or the dust or the dirt, but also the drying process takes some time. After I steam cleaning and rinsing all the areas out and do like 2 times the drying stroke, Sonia was again in the same area, master bedroom, and dried the carpet super good after I closed. You're gonna see. So you're gonna see right now how we rinse the carpet, rinsing the carpet, and let's see. And then you're gonna see a lot of drying strokes. Now I'm drying. And then Sonia go again and do the drying one more time. Why we do so many dry strokes? Because in these 4 bedrooms, even though the AC was low, the bedrooms didn't have a ceiling, and the location from our main house is an hour, and I couldn't leave some air movers to dry the carpet. So the drying process was crucial. You can see right away here I'm drying. Now in this area and the edges I'm rinsing, and then I go back. Maybe this video is kind of boring for you, but I really like to record the process so people will know the kind of job that we do. I'm not good in editing. I'm not good to do music and things like that. Besides that, it takes a lot of time, but I'm not good in that. So this is the best that I can do, to start talking with you and showing how we do it. Recording and working takes more time because you have to change the camera in different angles, or stop what you're doing and record your partner. The carpet came really good, and the reason was because we do the whole procedure. We did the whole procedure in the 4 areas: vacuuming, spreading the product, let it sit, scrubbing, and rinsing with a rubber. So this room, this is the final result for the master. It came really good. And thank you for watching, supporting our channel. Any comments or advice, it will be more than appreciated. This is Sonia and Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you. Bye bye.